Hey everyone, Derek Stricker CRE. Today we're with you here down in Boardman, Oregon with a 60,000 square foot industrial facility that is possibly for sale for lease in the 2026 year. It is a 2021 construction, so basically brand new, 3,000 amps, plenty of power, 3-phase, over 13 acres, 30-foot eave height. I think we have 5 dock high doors. We have 10,000 square foot of cooler space. Everything that is here is high quality, heavy duty, and food grade ready. Also, hey, dry users, take advantage of the ESFR sprinklers, the 30-foot eave heights, and the local truck doors and access all around in and out of the facility in Boardman back onto 95. Hard to find anything in the greater Tri-Cities. You go 90-minute drive time. This is one of your best options and definitely newest. This is a turnkey plug and play kind of opportunity available in January. Derek Stricker CRE. Happy New Year.